In this video, we are going to show you how to create a Shopify Partners account. Now, as you can see here, we are in our Shopify Partners account. This is going to be what you're going to see if you sign up afterwards and log into your account. This is going to be your Shopify Partners account admin dashboard. So how do we sign up actually? You can't just go to the normal Shopify website. What you want to do is go here, right? It says shopify.com partners, right? Depending on where you're from, you might want to put the suffix of your country. So for us, it's PH. If you're in Australia, it might be AU. If it's the US, of course, so on and so forth. So once you are in the Shopify Partners website, what you want to do is, of course, click sign up, right? So click sign up, and you're going to be brought to this page, right? So as you can see, it says, welcome back. But if it's going to be your first time, this is what you're going to see. So put your email here and then continue with email. Or better yet, if you have an Apple account, a Facebook account, or if you have a Gmail, this is much faster. So for example, you're going to use Gmail, click sign up with Google. And here you can just choose whatever account from Google you're going to use. So for example, we're going to just choose this one. So as you can see, we just chose our main account, but it's pretty much the same thing. It's a very straightforward process. After that, you'll be able to come to this page and you can now set up your shop. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.